there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We're going to show you how to adjust a garage door in this one. If you look at this garage door here, it has just over time crept up. It's especially noticeable if you look over here, it's just not going down as far anymore. You can see that gap under there, well and truly up off the ground. And that is adjustable. There's an adjustment up in the controls. We're going to go inside and show you how that's done. So all garage doors are going to have a control box or something like that up here in the roof. It's where they're plugged in. And have a look on the back, see if there's any controls or anything like that. On this one, all the controls are on the inside. So this is a little lip on the front there. We're just going to lift that front cover down, have a look inside. Here's the controls. You can see the circuit board here. This is where you change your globe. Obviously that just clips down. Just grab it at the front, pull it down for this model. Up here, you've got a limit button. You see it there. And you've got an up and a down adjust, up adjust, down adjust. What you do to set it, you press, not the learn button, that's to how do you put on new remotes. Here, you press the limit button and press and hold. It'll beep 3 times. Then you press and hold your up button until it goes up to where you want. So I'm actually pressing and holding the up button. And I'm wanting, so you get to determine how far the door opens on its automatic. And I want it to go, that is a bit further than I want it to go. So I can actually press the down till I get it where I want it, which is about there. That's fully up without going too far. Now we press the limit button again. It beeps twice. Now we go down and we're going to set the down limit as far as we want it to go. Pull up a bit before you get there. Just pressing the down. If you go too far, you can press the up, there's no problem. There, I'm happy with that. That's down, nice and tight. I didn't like it before. Too much gap means someone can get a pry bar or something under it and force it up. So now we go back, we press the limit button again. Beeps twice, and now it's going to go through a calibration cycle. So this is when you actually get to check it. It's going to go up by itself and do a calibration cycle. Beautiful, that's exactly where I want. Now I'm not touching the buttons, it's doing this all by itself. It's going to go down, so we check how far it's going down, just nicely down onto the seal. Certainly not way up like it was. Okay, that's got a bit of a bang to it as you heard, so that needs a slight adjustment. So we're going to have to do that again. So the procedure, you press and hold your limit button until it beeps 3 times, and then up until you're happy with where it goes. Press the limit button again, it'll beep. Then press your down until you're happy where it goes. Press the limit button again, and it'll then reset itself. That's the procedure. Okay, so I've reset it again, and you watch it now as it goes down. No bang, it's not thumping on the ground, and particularly through here, the concrete's not level, don't worry about that bit over there. Particularly through here, that's all sitting on the seal and exactly where I want it.